maghahalo-halo na naman tayo guys. Ayan, mainit ang panahon. Masarap kumain ng halo-halo. Paubos na yung ating halo-halo guys. Ayan guys, luto na itong adobong chicken wings na merong kamote. Ayan, bunga ng kamote guys. Laman ng kamote. Ayan, ang aming ulam. Today is Friday. Yan, thank you for watching guys. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Ayan, luto na ang tokwa. Guys, ito at naluto na yung aking tokwa at kangkong. Ito ilalagyan ko na siya ng oyster sauce na may sugar at cornstarch. Ayan guys, para maging malapot. Ayan, masarap ito guys. Magluto rin kayo nito, masustansya ang tokwa.
Marius, let the girl go. Saving the girl won't bring your parents back. Who killed them? Who killed my parents?
Ayan guys, meron tayong nakuhang patani. Tapos itong small tomato, saka kalabasa. At may pritong ulo ng bangos. At syempre, lalagyan natin siya ng ganyan. Alukon or himbabao. Ayan ang aming lunch. Hello guys, iluluto na ang aking dinding na alakon, kalabasa at patani. Ayan ang aming lunch. Healthy gulay. Thank you for watching guys. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Ito guys, luto na ang tilapia. Ayan, sinigang merong sili. Sa katalbos ng kamote sa kayang talong. Ayan, ang aming dinner ni Mister. Ayan guys, thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.
Like Jesus, they traced their descent up to Zerubbabel, and thus to the final kings of Judah as well. Records of their existence extend all the way to the year 1258. Okay, the last thing I want to do is explain. At kalpanay puti, ngunit kasunan ay nasira dahil sa lindol. Ngunit pinayos gamit ang modernong arkitektura.
Hello guys, ito nga pala ang aking niluto. Malunggay, sitaw, at merong patani. Ayan, at iginisa ko nga pala ito sa kamatis guys. At meron din siyang kamote, saka nilagyan ko siya ng konting fried pork belly. Ayan, at may sili rin siya guys. Ito ay hindi pinakbit ito guys, kundi ginisang gulay na lang ang kanyang pangalan. Ginisang gulay, hindi pinakbit. Ayan, ang aming lunch. Ulam na rin natin ito hanggang hapon. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Happy Wednesday. Bye-bye. Hello guys. Ito, naluto na ang aking kare-kare special. Ayan. At napakasarap talaga at malinamnam. Dahil marami akong nilagay dito na peanut butter. Ayan, saka hinaluan ko lang siya ng konting alamang guys. Ayaw kasi ni Mister ng alamang. Ayan, inihalo ko na dito. Kaya medyo may lasa na siya. Ayan, thank you for watching. Happy Easter everyone. God bless. Bye-bye.
A written treaty was signed.
Curry.
Elam's independence on the condition that they aligned their foreign policy with Akkad. Think about that. This is the first documented international treaty in human history. The Iranian space stood at the very origins of global diplomacy. Genetically, however, the Elamites were closer to the people.